Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today we're gonna cook a simple recipe with mushroom. Look how beautiful they are. Some friend of ours, they give it this. Sprinkle a bit of oil down the bottom. Extra virgin oil. And then I just brush around. Some of that a bit too big, so I left the cut a bit smaller. And we'll put them all stack one after the other. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? The rest of this I will cook with the pasta with a bit of tomato sauce. So a little bit of sprinkled salt. Next thing, I got to mix already tomato, garlic, parsley, bit of pepper, and salt, bit of salt. Just sprinkle over the top everywhere. The last thing, you put a cheese on, and make sure you cover nice and grind the pecorino cheese. So you put that much on, extra virgin oil, just to cover, put them on the edge everywhere. There they gotta go in the oven. I already got the temperature under the high degree, and we'll take half an hour to cook. No foil or nothing on. And let me tell you, this recipe is delicious. So the mushrooms, they cooked now. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of, here I got a toast. Just put them on.
What are you doing?
Just to blow. They're a little bit hot, gotta blow a bit. I try a bit there, so that on toast, bread. They are delicious. Now, this recipe you can keep in the fridge for a few days. Sometimes I'll have it in the morning for breakfast or toasted bread, and even a cold straight on toast, and they're really, really good. Bon appetito, enjoy it. One bit.